Hello everyone, we are from Tapsi Electromedical Systems and Services. We are manufacturers of electrotherapy equipments in physiotherapy range since 1996. Today in this video, we are here to present you a demo for Tapsi Cyclops 1 and 3, which is a computerized ultrasound therapy 1 and 3 MHz. The device comes along with a user manual, two applicators, 1 MHz and 3 MHz, a 3-pin mains cord and ultrasound gel. Plug the mains cord and in the main socket provided on the back side of the device. Plug the mains cord and turn on the switch. Now as we can see that two output sockets 1 MHz and 3 MHz are provided on the device panel. The output socket for 1 MHz has 5 pins, whereas the output socket for 3 MHz has 3 pins. So there is no chance of fitting the applicator in wrong output socket. So fit the applicator 1 MHz and 3 MHz accordingly. Make sure to fit according to the holes in the applicator and socket to avoid damage. Tighten the ring. Now turn on the switch given at the back side of the device to start. When the device is turned on, manual program with default parameters are displayed on the LCD. By default, 1 MHz output frequency, continuous output mode, 1 watt per centimeter square intensity and 5-minute timer are selected. Now for manual programming, the output frequency 1 MHz or 3 MHz can be selected directly by pressing the key of 1 MHz and 3 MHz on the device panel. For 1 MHz, click on 1 MHz and 3 MHz. To vary the intensity, INT up and INT down buttons are used. INT up, that is intensity up, is used to increase the intensity, and INT down, that is intensity down, is used to decrease the intensity. We can select the output mode directly just by pressing the buttons on the device panel. CONT for continuous mode, PLS 50% for pulse mode with 50% duty cycle, PLS 20 for pulse mode with 20% duty cycle, and PLS 10% for pulse mode with 10% duty cycle. The up and down key on the panel are for increasing and decreasing the timer in the step of 1 minute. To increase the timer, up arrow key. To decrease the timer, down arrow key. After selecting all the parameters as per your requirement, press the start button to start the output. A stop button is provided to stop the treatment in between or in case of emergency. For clinical library, a list of condition and inbuilt programs is provided on the last page of the user guide. You can select any program by pressing the PRG button, that is program button, on the device panel. Here for example, if I want to select the third program, I will press the PRG button and go to the third program. As you can see, all the parameters of output frequency, output mode, intensity and timer are set by default. We just need to press the start button. For treating a patient, it is mandatory to use ultrasound gel. To check if your ultrasound device is in working condition or not, place some water on 1 MHz head and start the device. You will see the water bubbles, which indicates that it is in working condition. Similarly, to check 3 MHz, place some water on 3 MHz head. Select 3 MHz output frequency and press the start button. These water bubbles indicate that the device 3 MHz head is in working condition. Now, if you have observed properly both water bubbles of 1 MHz and 3 MHz, you can see difference with naked eye in both the output of 1 MHz and 3 MHz. This is due to the difference in output frequencies of crystal, as 1 MHz is used for deeper treatment and 3 MHz is used for superficial treatment. An important precaution to be taken care of is never bend the applicator cable tightly, as it may lead to breakage of internal wire, hence damage the applicator. So keep all these points in mind for using ultrasound therapy 1 and 3 MHz. Read user guide carefully before starting the use of the device for complete details. Thank you.